Hey everyone, it's Yensum. I'm so glad you're here because today we're talking about something truly special, raising twins. Whether you're expecting, just brought your little ones home, or you're deep in the trenches of toddlerhood, you know that life with twins is a unique adventure. If you're here, you're probably about to dive into, or are already living, the wild ride of raising twins. From the very first moment you find out you're having two, everything changes. The anticipation, the excitement, and yes, the nerves all double. Double the diapers, double the feedings, double the love. Every task becomes a team effort, and sometimes it feels like you need an extra set of hands just to keep up. The days are long, the nights can be even longer, but those tiny smiles and sleepy cuddles make it all worth it. But with all that cuteness comes a whole new level of chaos. Your living room might look like a tornado hit it, and quiet moments are rare. There are days when you feel like you're just trying to survive the whirlwind. Twin toddlers running in opposite directions, wrangling two car seats, and always feeling one step behind. It's real. You become a master of multitasking, and sometimes just getting everyone out the door feels like a major victory. Yet, in the middle of the madness, there are these bursts of pure joy that make it all worthwhile. The way your twins look at each other, their secret giggles, and the bond they share, it's something truly magical. Whether you're facing a mountain of onesies or puzzling over car seats, you're not alone. Every twin parent has been there, wondering if they'll ever sleep again, or if the laundry will ever end. But together, we find ways to laugh through the exhaustion. In this video, we're diving into the beautiful chaos of raising twins, with real-life tips from parents who've been there. We'll share the highs, the lows, and everything in between, so you can feel supported, inspired, and maybe even a little less alone on this wild twin journey. Raising twins isn't just about having two babies. It's about constant juggling, balancing double the diapers, double the feedings, and double the giggles. Every day brings a new challenge, and sometimes it feels like you need an extra set of hands just to keep up. But it's also double the love and double the joy. Your twins may share a birthday, but they're two completely different humans, each with their own quirks, preferences, and ways of seeing the world. It's fascinating to watch their personalities develop side by side. One might be a social butterfly, eager to make friends and explore, while the other prefers quiet moments, lost in a book or their own imagination. Sometimes, one twin is ready for a nap, while the other is wide awake, full of energy, keeping you on your toes at all hours. Through it all, you're raising two unique individuals, each on their own journey. It's a wild, beautiful adventure, one filled with surprises, laughter, and unforgettable moments every single day. Those first months are a blur of feedings and diaper changes. Here's a sanity saver. Try syncing their schedules. When one wakes for a feeding, gently wake the other. It feels counterintuitive, but a predictable routine, even for a few hours, can make a world of difference. Sleep is precious when you have twins. Tag team with your partner. Divide the night into shifts so each of you gets some rest. Don't hesitate to ask family or friends for help, even if it's just for a quick nap. Every little bit of sleep counts. When prepping for twins, always think in terms of double duty and multifunctional gear. Every item you choose should help you save time and energy, because with twins, efficiency is everything. Planning ahead and staying organized will make your daily routines much smoother and less stressful. Invest in a double stroller that truly fits your lifestyle. Whether you're navigating city sidewalks or suburban parks, comfort and convenience matter. And instead of juggling a cute tote, opt for a backpack diaper bag. It keeps your hands free and your essentials organized, which is a game changer with two little ones. Stock up on diapers, onesies, and sleepers. Having multiples on hand means you're always prepared for those inevitable messes and quick changes. You'll be amazed at how quickly you go through supplies, so having extras is a lifesaver. Label everything, from clothes to bottles, because it's shockingly easy to mix up identical outfits or supplies. A simple label can save you time and confusion, especially during those busy mornings or late-night changes. Anything that makes life easier is worth it. Whether it's a twin feeding pillow, a hands-free carrier, or a comfy bouncer. Embrace the tools that help you manage double the joy with half the stress. Routines are your best friend with twins. Establish a general flow to the day, consistent bath time, bedtime, and snack time. Predictability helps your twins and brings a little more peace. A simple schedule makes life easier in the long run. It's easy to lump twins together, but nurture their individuality. Make time to talk, read, or play with each twin separately every day. These moments help them develop a strong sense of self and a special bond with you. Resist the urge to compare your twins. They'll reach milestones at their own pace. One might walk first, the other might talk first. Celebrate their differences and embrace their unique strengths. When buying baby essentials, think double: onesies, sleepers, burp cloths, bottles. A healthy stash saves you from endless late-night laundry and washing. You're not a superhero. Ask for help. Say yes to meals, errands, or babysitting offers. Take the break. You deserve it. Twin parenting is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate the small wins: 2 babies napping at once, a meltdown-free outing, and find humor in the chaos. Laughter goes a long way when you're just trying to survive. If you remember one thing, let it be this: you're doing an amazing job. Raising twins is tough, so give yourself credit. Share your own tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You're not alone in this crazy, beautiful journey.